Recently, members of the Environmental Protection Agency's Region 4 Atlanta office spent several days touring the Indian River Lagoon to see firsthand some of the success stories where federal dollars have been spent. These funds have been matched with state and local dollars to create restoration projects to improve the health of the 156-mile estuary. Dr. Dwayne DeFries, Executive Director of the Indian River Lagoon Council, and St. Lucie County Commissioner Chris Sadowski, one of the founding members of the IRL Council, spent the better part of the day escorting the group around the lower part of the lagoon. The tour began at Florida Atlantic University's Harbor Branch Oceanographic Institute's Aquaculture Division, where the group saw how researchers are growing various seagrasses. The Indian River Lagoon is home to 7 different types of seagrass, which play a vital role in the habitat for fisheries, as well as a food source for marine life such as manatees. Following the tour at Harbor Branch, the EPA staff toured the Indian River Lagoon by boat to a spoil island project. EPA staff saw accessibility improvements which were added to a spoil island just off the inlet of Harbor Branch. Rubber mats along the shoreline create a stable area for those in wheelchairs to enjoy the picnic amenities and views of the water from the island. The group ended its tour at Wesley's Island, where St. Lucie County's Environmental Resources staff have removed exotic invasive vegetation such as Australian pine and replaced them with more than 10,000 native plants. St. Lucie County received more than $175,000 in funding for Wesley's Island, as well as more than $36,000 worth of in-kind support from volunteers. Some of this funding has come from the Indian River Lagoon National Estuaries Program, which is funded by the EPA, as well as the Florida Wildlife Commission, the Indian River Lagoon License Plate Fund, the St. Lucie Audubon, Florida Power and Light, and MMPS Environmental. In addition to its environmental restoration efforts, St. Lucie County's ERD staff has added recreational amenities such as an outdoor classroom. The trip provided the opportunity for the Indian River Lagoon Council to show firsthand local government success stories as well as reiterate their motto, one lagoon, one community, one voice. For more information about the Indian River Lagoon Council, visit onelagoon.org.